In this video, I'll show you how to update your working hours on the Faces web platform. First, go to the left-hand side menu and click on Calendar. Then move to the top right corner and click on the three dots. Then select Update Opening Hours. A calendar will appear, showing your current availability. To change the days you're available to work, click on a date and toggle availability to work on or off. You'll also see your opening closing times. To edit these, simply click the arrows and select the hours you want to work. You can also add a break by clicking Add a Break. Then choose the start and end times for your break and click Save. If needed, you can select team members to update their working hours individually. Once you've made the changes, click Update Working Hours. To mark a day as unavailable, select the date and turn availability off. Then click Save. To make yourself available again, select the date and toggle availability to work back on. And choose your working hours. Then click Save. You can then choose which member of staff will work that day and click Update Working Hours. At the bottom of the page, you'll see all the working hours you've added. Finally, click Save to confirm all changes.